All prokaryotes reproduce asexually. A vibrio is a bacterium with a slightly curved rod shape. If you were to view staphylococci, you would expect to see clusters of cells. Elementary bodies are stable resting stages that do not metabolize but will germinate when conditions improve. Archaea are classified into phyla based primarily on rRNA sequences. Halophiles inhabit extremely saline habitats such as the Great Salt Lake. Pigments located in thylakoids and phototropic bacteria trap light energy for metabolic processes. Most cyanobacteria form heterocysts in which nitrogen fixation occurs. A giant bacterium that is large enough to be seen without a microscope is Epulocesium, something like that. When environmental nutrients are depleted, myxobacteria aggregate in mounds to form fruiting bodies. Bacillus anthracis causes anthrax, or comes from anthrax. Veillonella is dental biofilm or plaque. Clostridium perfringens is gangrene. Clostridium botulinum is Botox. Bacillus lynchiformis is bacitracin. Streptococcus impetigo, however it is pronounced. Streptomyces tetracycline. Corynebacterium diphtheria. Gluconobacter vinegar. Bordetella pertussis. Zooglobia flock formation. Azotobacter nitrogen fixation. Desulfovibrio iron pipe corrosion. Chlamydia lymphogranuloma venereum. Cytophagia wood damage. The type of reproduction in prokaryotes that results in a palisade arrangement of cells is called snapping division. The thick-walled reproductive spores produced in the middle of cyanobacterial filaments are called akinetes. Which of the following terms best describes stiff, spiral-shaped prokaryotes? Spirilla. Endospores can remain alive for decades, can remain alive in boiling water, live in a state of suspended animation. Halobacterium salinarium is distinctive because it is absolutely dependent on high salt concentrations to maintain its cell wall. Photosynthetic bacteria that also fix nitrogen are cyanobacteria. Which genus is the most common anaerobic human pathogen? Bacteroids. Flexible spiral-shaped prokaryotes are spirochetes. Bacteria that convert nitrogen gas into ammonia are nitrogen fixers. The presence of mycolic acid in the cell wall characterizes Mycobacterium. Francisella is gram-negative. Salmonella is gram-negative. Campylobacter is gram-negative. Mycoplasma is gram-positive. Escherichia is gram-positive. Lactobacillus is gram-positive. Chlamydia is gram-negative. Streptococcus is gram-positive. Staphylococcus is gram-positive. Treponema is gram-positive. Clostridia is gram-positive. Gardnerella is gram-positive. Propionibacterium is gram-positive. Actinomycetes gram-positive. Mycobacterium gram-positive. Corynebacterium gram-positive. Listeria is gram-positive. And Bacillus is gram-positive.